Sometimes too many devices may be linked to your account. Today I will show you how to easily check who might have access to your account. Watch until the end for a useful privacy protection tip. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device and afterwards go to the settings menu. So on iPhone, just click on the gear icon in the bottom right corner, and on Android, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the upcoming menu, select Linked Devices and review the list of the devices. Under each device, it shows when it was last active. If there is activity you do not recognize, that might be suspicious. To remove a device, just simply click on it and tap Log Out. Now your WhatsApp account is under control. Only your devices have access to it. And as a bonus step to enhance your security, regularly change your WhatsApp password and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection. So if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That will motivate me to create even more useful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.